Insights from James Clear's Atomic Habits, brought to you by Instaread. The power of atomic habits. Our adventure begins with a simple yet powerful concept: the atomic habit. An atomic habit is a tiny change that creates remarkable results over time. James Clear illustrates that these habits are the building blocks of our lives, shaping our identity and determining our success. To understand how atomic habits work, we explore the habit loop, a neurological pattern that governs our habitual behaviors. It comprises 4 stages: cue, craving, response, and reward. By understanding and manipulating these stages, we can transform our habits. The 4 laws of behavior change. Now let's unveil the 4 laws of behavior change, which serve as the foundation for creating and breaking habits. Law 1. Make it obvious. This law emphasizes the importance of cues that trigger our habits. By designing a clear and visible environment, we can make the desired behavior the easy choice. Law 2. Make it attractive. Here we explore how to associate positive emotions with the habit we want to adopt. By linking the habit to a satisfying reward, we increase the likelihood of its repetition. Law 3. Make it easy. Discover the art of simplification. By breaking down habits into smaller, manageable steps, we lower the barrier to entry and pave the way for consistent progress. Law 4. Make it satisfying. The final law focuses on the feeling of accomplishment that comes from completing a habit. By cultivating a sense of success, we reinforce the behavior and encourage its repetition, the process of habit formation. Now, let's explore the 3 stages of habit formation: cue, craving, and response. As we delve deeper, we unlock the science behind habit creation and its role in reshaping our lives. Cue, the role of environment. The cue stage is all about the role of environment. By identifying the cues that trigger our habits and manipulating them, we can guide our behavior towards positive change. Craving, dopamine and desire. Craving, the 2nd stage, is rooted in desire and dopamine. Learn how to associate pleasure with your desired habits, creating an intrinsic motivation that propels you forward. Response, action and rituals. Response, the final stage, is where action and rituals come into play. Discover the power of consistent action and how rituals help solidify new behaviors into your daily routine. Breaking bad habits. But what about breaking bad habits? The journey of transformation also involves shedding old, detrimental behaviors. Habit inversion. We unravel the technique of reversing habits. By identifying the cue, craving, response, and reward of a bad habit, we can replace it with a positive alternative. The 2-minute rule. Discover the magic of starting small. By focusing on the first 2 minutes of a habit, we overcome procrastination and initiate positive change. Identity and beliefs. As we near the culmination of our journey, we explore the profound connection between habits, identity, and beliefs. Identity-based habits. Understand how your beliefs shape your identity and, in turn, how your identity shapes your habits. By aligning your habits with the person you want to become, you supercharge your transformation. And so, our voyage through the insights of atomic habits comes to an end. We've learned that by embracing the power of atomic habits, we can embark on a journey of continuous improvement, one small step at a time. Remember, change is not an event, it's a process. With determination, mindfulness, and the wisdom of James Clear's teachings, you have the tools to become the architect of your own destiny. As James Clear wisely puts it, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Embrace the atomic habits, shape your systems, and watch your life transform. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, remember that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. If you want to upgrade your brain and learn anything faster, then watch this video. I will see you there.